Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're pulling a creative all-nighter. Ah!
She's corrupting me.
Shelby, look away because I know you're yelling at me through the screen. I'm sorry. I'm too excited. If you guys don't know, you might know if you've been here for previous all-nighters.
I don't know what's wrong with
But every once in a while, every like 2 to 3 months, ish, I start to get this like really hyperness at night, and it happens for like a few days, maybe a week. And my creative juices are always really flowing during this time period, and I have been creative juice flowing this entire week. And Zoe and I just came up with like basically a 5-year plan for our podcast that like you guys are not ready for. Like we're doing something
It's so cool.
that has never been done before, and I can't talk about it. I feel like one of those YouTubers.
I can't talk about
I'm
it.
working so hard on something, but I can't talk about it yet. But I actually can't talk about it because one, it needs its own launch situation.
Yes.
Two, I'm more and more as I get older of the opinion that I don't like talk about things until they're like happening.
Mm-hmm.
Cause I don't know, I just don't want anyone's negative energy, and it doesn't matter how much positive energy I'm getting for it. I don't want the one comment of negative energy about it. So no. But anyways, so we're both just really excited, and like I said, I've been kind of teetering it on an all-nighter for about a week now, and this project has me so excited that I was like, "Do you want to do an all-nighter?" And Zoe was like, "Yeah." So we have our coffees. It's almost 10 a.m. I mean.
We're already done.
It's almost 10 p.m. and I will say that the typical time frame for my all-nighters is that I last until about 5, maybe 6 a.m. Take an hour or two long nap, so I get up at like 6, 7, 8 a.m. depending, and then I go through my workday, and then I take like an early evening nap, and I'm normally pretty okay after that. If I've been having troubles with my sleep specifically, I will make sure I stay up the whole day, but I haven't really been having trouble sleeping lately, so I'm gonna just figure it out tomorrow. But yeah, so this is our creative all-nighter. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so typically when I'm pulling an all-nighter, I put together a little to-do list of kind of the things that I want to accomplish. Tonight, I feel like Zoe and I are really focusing on like our content, the podcast, and the goals for the podcast. So we're gonna talk through that, and we're gonna get it all mapped out here on our whiteboard that is one of the best brainstorming tools I feel like you can get. Something about like having it big and visual is so nice. So highly recommend if you're big into like goal planning and managing a bunch of different things at once, because a whiteboard sometimes is so helpful to like have. Okay. Woo! Okay, so I feel like we should make like a full like 5-year plan for chapters outside of Hey guys. Okay, so it's 11:42 p.m. now. I don't know why. I feel like whenever I say the time, I have to like prove it. If you didn't know, the AC is broken in our house. It's hot. It's really hot down here right now. I don't know why it's like extra hot down here for some reason right now. Like, I don't know if it's just because we're excited and talking, but it's hot. But we just took a quick break because I needed to go give Brendan his medicine, and we got to like a good stopping point, and I also needed to poop.
just girly themes.
You saying you need to get Brendan his medicine made me feel like Brendan's like a 4-year-old.
Oh, I know, right? And so, yeah, we planned out the 1 and 3 year goals for the Chapters podcast, as well as planned some other special stuff to do with the podcast that I can't say because it'll give some stuff away that I don't want to give away. So make sure you go freaking subscribe to the podcast on Apple Podcasts and Spotify. Give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Try My channel, subscribe to Zoe's channel. Just support us so we can make this stuff happen, because I promise you guys that you will love it. But yeah, okay, we're gonna get into part 2, which is planning out the 5-year goals and getting a little bit more nitty gritty on some of the stuff that we need to for other stuff. Sorry to be so cryptic. Let's do it. Lily has been meowing like crazy. I think she was just hungry, because as soon as I snapped one of their food containers, they like both came running, and she's been quiet since. So I don't know, but I could hear Brenda getting so frustrated because she was being so freaking loud. We've moved into the living room from the whiteboard area, and we're gonna start working on the social calendar for the Chapters podcast, Instagram, and I guess maybe TikTok too.
Oh yeah, I guess I could start. I'll open it right now.
So yeah, we're gonna do that and sit here on our lippy tappy toppies and work. Editing reels. Okay.
This is all of the videos I can find from our Instagram and TikTok. Why is it still playing?
It is just after 3 a.m. and I'm freaking starving all of a sudden, so I'm gonna heat up some of this pasta I had for dinner. We're a little tired at this point, but we have gotten so much done. Seriously, like it's crazy. Got socials for the next like month and a half planned out. Also made a cool reel. So I'd say that all-nighter's going well. Not sure what we're gonna do next, but I'm gonna eat this food because I really need something in my stomach right now. So yay.
Further's in. I mean, like, it's fine. I just picked up the camera and now you want to play ball. Lillian. Anyway, th-
What did I do with my face?
What is this for?
The thumbnail for this video.
Oh.
That's me being tired. Am I an actor?